Hi, my name is Luz María Rodriguez. I am 21 years old. I am a third semester psychology. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas I was giving toys to children in my neighborhood in the morning. Then in the afternoon I was buying clothes and also the ingredients for the Christmas dinner. Then we were preparing the dinner. We were making turkey with green rice. In the evening, I was sharing with my family and friends a nice time. Typical dish activity 2. Rice, coconut, salt, avocado and tomato, and fish. Mote de queso, a leaf of greens. 1 kilogram of yam, 50 grams of cheese, 2 blades of long onion, 1 onion, 1 garlic, 1 lemon, 60 milliliters of oil, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper. Preparation. In a pot of water, cook the yam cut into pies with 1 onion for 45 minutes. I am frying pan with oil, fry the finely chopped onions and was garlic until in fried. Add to the soup like I cook for 30 minutes more. Then add the cheese cut in cubes. Cook until it is a light soup. Serve the mote de queso and enjoy this Colombian recipe with and side of white rice. Thank you. I invite you to taste our typical foods of the Caribbean region. Goodbye, see you.